In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Chrome extensions quickly and safely in just a few clicks. This is super helpful if your browser feels cluttered, slow, or if you simply want to get rid of extensions you no longer use. Whether you're cleaning up your browser or removing something suspicious, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop taskbar or start menu depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar at the top. Now type Chrome//extensions/ and press enter. This will take you directly to the extensions page, where you can see all of the add-ons currently installed in your browser. On this page, you'll find a list of every extension you've added to Chrome. Take a moment to look through the list and find the extension you want to remove. When you locate it, look for the Remove button on that extension card. Click Remove, and Chrome will ask you to confirm that you want to delete it. If prompted, confirm the removal by clicking Remove again. And that's it. The extension will be deleted from Chrome right away. If you had more than one extension to clean up, you can repeat the same steps for each one. This is one of the fastest ways to manage your browser and keep it running the way you want. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.